So I've been really inconsistent with my videos. So starting today, let's take on a challenge inspired by Black Pen Red Pen and solve 1,000 math problems in the next 1,000 days. The problems will be ranging from pre-calculus, calculus 1, 2, 3, lineage, probability, statistics, everything I can find. So if you like math, follow this mathematical journey because this is going to be a fun one. So let's start with question number 1 of 1,000. So the question asks us to find the value of x, where we have 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power of x equals to 90. So let's use some exponent laws and simplify this first term. So we have 3 to the power of 2x minus 1. That means this is just 3 to the power of 2x divided by 3. So let's rewrite this equation. And we get 3 to the power of 2x over 3 plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 90. Now in the first term, remember your another exponent law that says that a to the power of mn is equal to a to the power of m bracket n. Now we can use that over here and write this as 3 to the power of x whole square. The equation becomes 3 to the power of x square divided by 3 plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 90. Now let's take 3 to the power of x as y and rewrite this equation as a quadratic, which gives us y squared over 3 plus y is equal to 90. Now to get rid of this fraction, we can multiply the entire equation with 3 and we get y squared plus 3y is equal to 270. Now we can move this 270 on the other side and write this quadratic equation is equal to 0, which gives us y squared plus 3y minus 270 equal to 0. Now we can plug this in our quadratic formula to find the value for y. So now we can plug the values in our quadratic formula. So in this equation, a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. B is the coefficient of y, which is 3. And c is our constant term, which is negative 270. So let's plug in these values. And we get negative 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared minus 4 times negative 270 over 2. Which gives us negative 3 plus minus square root of 9 plus 1080, which is 1089. The square root of 1089 is 33 divided by 2. Negative 3 plus 33 over 2 is 15, or negative 3 minus 33 over 2 is negative 18, which is equal to y, and y was 3 to the power of x. Now remember that an exponential function can never be negative. So this value cancels out and our answer becomes 3 to the power of x is equal to 15, or x is equal to log base 3 of 15.